What's going on, ADV hooligans? ADV Gourmet here, and today we're going to the sip and rip for the one and only Mr. Greg Simpson, the bearded grump. It's about 6:30 in the morning. I'm here in Somerville, South Carolina. I'm getting ready to leave up to go. I'm ready to leave to go to Leesville. So you guys hang out, stick around. Next time you'll see me, we'll be on the road.
What's up, everyone? We are riding over 100 miles today for a cup of coffee. That might sound crazy until you know that we're riding to the Sip and Rip here in Leesville, South Carolina, and we're gonna hang out with some great guys. And today's a very special Sip and Rip because we're riding for Mr. Greg Simpson, the bearded grump. If y'all don't know about the grump, he went down this past year and messed himself up pretty bad. So check out his channel. I'm sure you have if you've been here. But anyhow, we're gonna ride and take up some donations for Greg today. Chris Cox, the founder of the Scar, has created an awesome route for us to take up to Newberry, South Carolina today. So we'll be riding that. And we'll be coming into Leesville, Batesburg here shortly. It's been a chilly morning this morning. Started out at 46 degrees in Somerville. Got on the interstate for 60, 70 miles. And ooh, it really got kind of chilly around 43. And, you know, going 80 miles an hour, it's quite chilly. Alright, looks like we're coming into town here. But it's warmed up to straight degrees. It'll probably get in the mid-50s today, so we'll have some good riding weather. Yep. Oh, I'm ready for a nice hot cup of coffee and fill the old girl up with a little bit of gas. Oh yeah. Get some gas here.
May here, and today we're at the sip and rip for the grump, aka Greg Simpson. That's right. Look at all these awesome bikes that have come out to ride today with me and Chris. Yes. We're gonna have an awesome day today. If you're not here, well, you're missing out. But you know what? You can meet us at the Palmetto ADV rally. We're going to have the rally this March. It's going to be March 21st to the 24th, which is going to be awesome. And there's going to be more details on how to become a nomad. So you guys stay tuned, and we're getting ready to ride here in a few minutes. So peace.
All right, ADV hooligans, look at all these ADVers. Yep, go ahead, Bo. Go ahead, y'all go whenever y'all want. Go ahead, Bo. Ooh, look at all these ADVers. Yeah, baby. We're going to have a good ride today, folks. Let me tell you. We've got some awesome guys here. Awesome. Go ahead, Bo. Look at these riders. We got a couple behind us, but what a crew. What a crew. They're coming slowly. Pretty cool little place. Old gas station. Old truck and boat. Gilligan. Who found it? Up a many more. This is really pretty through here. A little low, but it's pretty. We don't get these hills in Charleston. It's nice to ride some rolling hills. Little change of scenery. What a great group of riders today. A little muddy. Nothing too slick though. Nice terrain. Let me just say this. For all you guys that missed out, hey, we're sorry you missed it because this is a great ride. But there'll be more. There'll be other chances to hang out. Show your camaraderie, support the community. I think we're going to have a lot of new riders at the Palmetto ADV Rally this year. If y'all don't know about the Palmetto ADV Rally, that's a rally we have here in South Carolina. From my understanding, it's the only rally here in South Carolina so far. I'm sure there'll be more eventually, but this is the only rally. We host it, I host it in, or outside of Somerville. We're going to be towards Walterboro, Somerville area at the Sand Pits, Sandy Run. So a wildlife preserve, essentially. It's gonna be an awesome time. You're gonna have 3 nights of camping and 4 days of riding. Well, we don't have hills. We definitely got sand. So if you want to practice your sand, say that twice, right? Or 3 times. If you want to practice your sand skills, well, the ADV Rally, being the Palmetto, is the one to be at. Word. You guys check out Eventbrite for the Palmetto ADV Rally. Tickets are on sale now, and we are expecting to sell out. So get your tickets, get your meal plan. We got some of the hottest showers that you'll ever have at a rally. This is kind of gnarly. They must have a big washout right there. Yeah. Getting it. But, you know, some people are just not comfortable riding beside other people. So, and I get it. All right, here we go. The little Saluda. Ooh, that looks like Redneckville down there. Everyone's out catching little fishy fish today. Having a little funny fun. Well, we're ripping it. We've already sipped it. Now we're ripping it. Looks like the Lord Jesus Christ is on our side today so far. Everyone is riding spectacular. And we have made it to the Palms Grill and Bar. This will be interesting. Oh yeah, with a little patience, yeah. Sorry, Bo.
Speed sound 1, 2, 3.
Well, we did it. Everyone was safe and no draw. What's going on, ADV hooligans? ADV Gourmet here, and we have just finished the sip and rip, and it was awesome. We had a great group of riders today. Everyone rode hard, rode good, and there's no accidents or drops. Kind of unbelievable, but it was awesome. And now, I'm in Newberry, and we're heading to Charleston, which is about a 2-hour ride. So, while I make this ride, you guys sit back and relax. And I hope you enjoyed the show. Until next time, all you ADV hooligans, peace.